Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Canzaro here. Today we're going to be making broccoli rape with salsiccia and orecchiette. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. The ingredients I need for this dish: broccoli dal, hot sausage, sun-dried tomato, black pepper, crushed red pepper, chopped garlic, olive oil, salt, and orecchiette pasta. I'm going to brown my sausage. I'm going to put it in this pan and try to separate it with a fork and make it cook quickly. I'm going to add the crushed red pepper too. This is going to be a little noisy. Just al dente, perfect. So I'm going to put the sausage in it. Now it's come to a full boil, and now I'm going to drop my orecchiette. Perfectly al dente, so I'm tossing it together to get the full flavor. It's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe, and bon appetit.